Yeah, so hello everyone. So today we are discussing Angular RxJS tutorial. So let's understand the Angular RxJS. So basically Angular RxJS is a library of Angular. Uh, Basically RxJS, NGRX. So they are library mainly used is like observables, programming with observables like endpoint calling. RxJS is commonly used for Angular handling. So let's start introduction to RxJS, setting up RxJS in Angular, observable, observed subject, common RxJS operators, RxJS in Angular like HTTP requests, event handling, form value changes, practical examples and best practices and resources. So let's understand introduction. So basically it's a reactive programming paradigm to a JavaScript. So like RxJS, we reactive way we inform dynamically react. So it dynamically evolves reactively how this type of paradigm it's like a we said it the phenomena related to a JavaScript. So like introduction to RxJS, mainly RxJS is revolve this terminology observable. What is this observable? Observable is basically we can say that and a like a stream of data, we can say stream of data. We need to handle this stream of data by observable. There are two types, we can say that observables is very important for our today's world. Observable, like we say, can say represent the stream of data that process using a various operators like benefits, declarative programming for handling asynchronous operation, streamlined air handling, cleanup, composable, reusable operations. Mainly these three benefits. Setting of RxJS. RxJS is include by default in Angular, like Angular core APIs, HTTP client, and event handling. So how we set up this Angular RxJS? So by default HTTP client and event handling, we can to use RxJS import we can see import this RxJS from operator. So let's uh, leave more content. Like yeah, so expand guide of RxJS coverage, advanced topic, additional use cases. Like we can say that there are many high observable or observables like switch map, concat map, merge map, exhaust map. Switch map like cancel the previous observable and switch to latest one. Merge map, concat map, exhaust map. So these are the types of the operator basically we use in observables. Error handling. So in RxJS mainly three types we are handling the error: catch error, retry, and retry when. So like more operators like combine, latest, fork join, zip, merge. Yeah, so yeah, so today's topic we what we learn like RxJS have. First, we learn observable. What is observable? Observable is a stream of data that is processed using various operator. Like we can say that a subscribe a YouTube channel with multiple things we can say. Then how we setting, then for advanced RxJS concept we learn like switch map, merge map, concat map, exhaust map. So basically switch map, merge map is merging the multiple observables. Concat is process observable one at a time in order. Like first observable complete, then another. Exhaust ignore new observable if one is already active. This is the operators. Basically, if you see the examples like how constructor is for dependency injection, like error handling. So yeah, like combines observable, combining observable. So how we can combine the latest value from multiple observable, like we have declared two constant value of basically used for converting this number or this array into a observable. So this become a observable one and this is a observable two. So we need to combine latest, so these two will be become one value. So by subscribe method, like we console the value, so it become combine the multiple observable. Fork join, wait for all observable to complete and emit the final value. Fork join is like we can say that we get the this API result, request 1 and request 2, then these two request is wait for all observable to complete and emit final combined value. First it running, then it's running, then it's combined into one value. So yeah, basically this is a fork join phenomena. So let's deep dive into RxJS, exploring more advanced concept and testing strategy. So we can use advanced pattern like RxJS can use for manage stating Angular application, like behavior subject, reply subject is also there. What is a behavior subject and reply subject? Subject is like we can say that another way of uh, data communication between the components. So we use what is a subject and behavior subject. Behavior subject we can say that a predefined value predefined value is there. So like that, for today's topic we continue this advanced topic in upcoming our videos. So let's subscribe and understand every topic step by step. So that's all. We can go to this resource, RxJS Marble, learn RxJS operator and Angular RxJS doc. It's very good. So that's all for today's topic. What we learn, uh, let's see. We actually go through the Angular RxJS topic. What is Angular RxJS topic? What is Angular RxJS? Is a reactive extension for a JavaScript. So it's a library that is mainly revolve around observable. So core concept is observable, observe and subject. Three topics are there. Common RxJS operators we discussed, like three fork join. This operators what we one API is handling and how this handling is there. Like then after RxJS HTTP request, event handling, form values. So these are the topics we need to learn in Angular. This is the RxJS series. So we go forward and looking more topics, like after I will cover NGRX, that is more important is RxJS. So let's deep dive. So that's for today's video.